Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ginger kombucha at home. This refreshing, fizzy drink is a delightful project, and crafting it yourself ensures you control all the ingredients. We will go through each stage, from preparing your initial brew to adding that wonderful ginger kick. You will learn about the first fermentation, the second fermentation for carbonation, and how to store your delicious homemade beverage. Get ready to brew some fantastic ginger kombucha. For your first fermentation, gather your SCOBY, which is a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, along with some starter tea. You will also need black tea, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 gallon of filtered water. Brew your tea, dissolve the sugar, and let it cool completely before adding the SCOBY and starter tea. Place it in a warm spot, ideally between 70 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 7 to 10 days, covering it with a cloth. Now for the exciting part, adding the ginger and achieving that wonderful fizz. Once your first fermentation is complete, remove the SCOBY and pour the kombucha into clean, airtight bottles. Add about 1/4 cup of grated or sliced fresh ginger to each bottle. Remember to leave approximately 1 inch of headspace to allow for carbonation. Seal the bottles and let them ferment at room temperature for another 2 to 4 days, checking for desired fizziness. Once your ginger kombucha has reached your preferred level of fizziness, it is time to refrigerate it. This will slow down the fermentation process significantly, preserving its flavor and carbonation. Your delicious homemade ginger kombucha is best enjoyed within 1 to 2 weeks. Feel free to experiment with other fruits or spices in future batches for endless flavor possibilities. Always prioritize cleanliness to ensure a safe and tasty brew every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.